Hello. If you are looking for more information about the product Savannah Black Arises, watch this video to the end. I'll tell you all about it. Will it work? Is reliable? So pay attention, because at the end of this video I have a very important alert about the Savannah Black Arises. Attention! First of all, I will leave in the description of this video or in the first comment the official website for the purchase of Savannah Black Arises, is the only site that you can guarantee the original product. Savannah Black Surge is an all-natural male sexual health supplement that enhances the location of masculinity. It is a unique combination of natural antioxidants, anti-inflammatories and aphrodisiac substances that can solve the underlying cause of most male difficulties. The supplement is based on a 1,000-year penile stretching practice that is now extinct. Producers have discovered a very effective method of treating male sexual health problems and increasing the penis size from 3 to 5 inches in just a few weeks. This is not a marketing move, it really works and does amazing things. Because of proper feeding and enrichment, most of the guys who used Savannah Black Surge reported an increase in penis length and width. Benefits: reduces inflammation and improves immunity. Naturally reduces inflammation of the prostate and BPH. Increases the amount of generic oxide in the blood. It facilitates and directs blood flow to and from the genital and reproductive organs. Accelerates and improves the nutrition of the penis. This prevents the penis from becoming clogged. It dilates and expands the arteries, increasing blood flow. Increases testosterone production and prevents it from becoming a harmful hormone. It is believed to naturally improve blood pressure problems. Promotes prostate health by healing the prostate gland. Reduces the chance of developing prostate cancer. Increases sperm quality, health and quantity. Promotes cellular health without the use of chemicals. So yes, you can trust this product. In fact, there are many people having great results with Savannah Black appears, and you can have results too. Something very important is that the Savannah Black Arises has a guarantee and you can really test the product, and if for some reason you do not like it, they return your money. Also, for the Savannah Black Arises to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. And the right way to use the Savannah Black Surge is you take 2 capsules of it every day. You will take every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results, and it is important you do a treatment for at least 4 months of use. You can see the initial results in the first month of use, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. It is also important to know that Savannah Black emerges as totally natural and has no side effects. The Savannah Black Surge really works. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I'm sure you will have a good result with it. Important warning: only be careful on the site where you will buy so as not to end up harming your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I left here in the description of this video the official site. Savannah Black comes with guarantee for you to access. I hope I helped you with this information. Stay with God.